Holy What is that?
Introducing Pint.
Hey, does that have a motor?
Not that kind, that kind.
Where can I ride it?
Here, here, not here, but here.
Whoa.
Is it easy to learn?
Oh yeah.
Does it need a remote?
Nope, just lean forward.
How do you stop?
Lean back, forward, stomp it.
Hey, do a kickflip.
Can you take it with you?
Of course.
You think this is gonna go viral?
Yo, they posted our clip. Heard it costs less than a smartphone.
Really?
Really?
My kid's gonna love it.
Yeah, you got it.
But as it feels, a bit of it hurts.
Unbelievable.
Introducing the only e-bike small and light enough to carry in a backpack. The Smacircle S1. Smacircle is more than just an e-bike. It's your new everyday companion for better, easier transportation.
My name is Wu. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at Smacircle Technology. So many of us experience problems in our commutes, traffic jams, crowded public transportation, and distance that too far. We committed to creating the best possible solutions.
Because of its carbon fiber frame, it weighs a mere 15.4 pounds. As soon as you're ready to ride, you can be on your way in seconds with 5 easy steps. Monitor your speed, distance, your lights, your battery, all while charging your smartphone. The S1 is durable and tough. It can easily carry up to 220 pounds. With its sleek, modern design, the S1 gets you from A to B in style. The Smacircle S1 will keep you cruising at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. The simple handlebar thumb control allows the rider to adjust speed. The left thumb brake will quickly and safely stop the S1. When your ride is done, simply use the Smacircle app to lock your S1, making it unusable to anyone but you.
Smacircle team has spent countless days on research and development. We want to design an e-bike. Not only can save energy, but also can save time and space, so you can take with you wherever you can.
Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the park, the S1's adjustable seat and handlebars always make for a comfortable ride. The Smacircle S1, the most portable and lightweight e-bike available today.